Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and in this video I'll be showing you how to cut an A-line skirt. The first thing you do is you fold your fabric into two and then take your length. Mine was 42. I added just 1 inch because the lace already has a design at the edge, so I won't be folding it. So I added just 1 inch. Please ignore the ruler I'm using right here. I couldn't find my ruler, so I had to make do with what was available. And then after taking your length, you take your hip measurement, which is 10 inches from the waist. 10 inches from the waistline. And then you move down to take your knee measurement, which is 18 inches from the waistline. Then I went ahead to take my waist measurement, which is the round waist divided by 4 inches. Mine was 9.5. I added 1 inch for my zip, my dart allowance, and also 2 inches for my sewing allowance. Then I went towards the hip area. I took my hip measurement, which is the round hip measurement divided by 4. And then I added 2 inches for my sewing allowance. Then to get your knee, you just use your hip measurement minus 1 inch. Hip measurement minus 1 inch. Then I went ahead to connect the lines. And after that, you just place your ruler from the knee point down to the end of the skirt, and then draw a straight line just like this. Then I placed the back piece folded into two and then laid the front on it. Then the first thing I did was take my zip allowance, which is 2 inches. 2 inches all the way down to your knee measurement or your knee point. Then I connected the line from the waist down to the knee point. And after that, you just place your ruler from the knee point to the end of the fabric, just like this, and then draw another straight line connecting them. Then I went ahead to cut it out. Then on the other side, you just trace what you already have in front and cut out as well. So this is what we have now. As you can see, the back is slightly longer than the front. That's because the back, it's coming with a tail, and so we need to connect the sides. The sides have to be equal. So that's me trying to measure and cut out the length, the extra length, so it meets with the front by the side, if that makes sense. Sorry, I realized that wasn't in the frame of the video, so I had to pull it down. And then after cutting it out, obviously I lost the design at the edge of the lace on that side, so I had to replace it with another fabric with the design. All I did was to measure to get the exact measurements I needed to fill up that space. And then I traced the flowers. I didn't cut it straight. I traced the design on the lace. And then I cut it out. And then I laid it down, making sure it's balanced. And then I'm just going to sew it on top. But first I have to secure with my needle, with my pin, sorry. Then I did the same thing on the other side as well. After that, I decided to trim the waistline for the back because it's got the design as well. So I have to take it off to match with the front. And that's it. Simple, all done, very easy, beginner friendly. So if you have enjoyed this video or learned something new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, make sure to share, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.